How to delete all Gemini activity, chats, images, and prompts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Gemini and click on your profile at the top right corner of your screen, which will open all these options. Click on Gemini Apps Activity. After you click on it, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, at the bottom, click on Delete. After you have clicked on Delete in here, you'll find options Auto Delete Activity Order, then select Months and press on Next. After you've done that, it will auto delete within the months you chose. Another thing what you can do is simply click on the cross mark beside your prompts and delete from here as well. This is how to delete Google Gemini activity, chats, images, and prompts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.